Hi, let's talk about the free Google Sheets dashboard templates that are available online. I've got a Google Pixel book my son got me, and if you're using a Chromebook, then I think that you should at least kick the tires on Google Sheets, and a great way to do it is with the free sheets that are available from this link from Datapad. If you go to the show notes, theguyarcookreport.podbean.com, I've got a Google document. It'll tell you all about it. There's a link in there. It's going to work. I'm pretty sure you're going to like what you see there. Have a good week. I want to thank all the time that you've devoted to this episode of the Guy R. Cook Report. I hope that link helps you out in some way. Thanks to the patrons that support this effort. It's a wrap. And this is how you get in touch with yours truly, Guy R. Cook. There's theguyarcookreport.com, and there's a contact form if you go to guyarcook.com, just like it shows in text there. Or you can call my new cell phone number, 509-200-1429. I look forward to talking to you.